This is Carl of Aqua Teen Hunger Force, and this is my Stone Cold Lock of the Century. Or the week. The Mile High City got knocked down to earth by the Colts last week in a game that may be the last for Peyton Manning's enormous 55-inch LED flat-screen Kansas-shaped forehead. It's almost poetic that this was the team that first drafted and groomed and unceremoniously dumped him and his placenta-filled robot neck in favor of a hot young quarterback. Although hot may not be the best word to describe Andrew Luck, he looks like the unholy offspring of a Mennonite and the Clydesdale pulling his buggy. I mean, sure, a childhood of churning his own butter probably gave Luck that NFL arm strength, but his face looks like what would happen if Peyton dropped one of them Papa John pies face down on a barbershop floor. I'm pretty sure Luck spends his off-season training with grizzly bears, pulling salmon out of the White River with his horse teeth, and fueling Bigfoot sightings all over rural Indiana. But the thing that sets Andrew Luck apart from less successful quarterbacks is that no fast food joint will let Luck's ugly mug anywhere near their ads for a bacon cheesesteak hoagie. Would you want the hunchback of the team that routinely beat Notre Dame hawking your life insurance? Beats, they don't sell headphones big enough to fit around his Dumbo ears. And what do you imagine him listening to, like a 90-minute dog whistle mix? But Luck, he don't care about endorsement deals. He only got one more obstacle between him and the Super Bowl: Tom Brady and the Patriots. It's gonna be a classic battle between the nature boy and the pretty boy. The monobrow versus the monolith. The guy who wears Uggs and the guy who got beat with an ugly stick. I don't care if Bill Belichick lines the entire Aaron Hernandez jury up as ineligible receivers. I'm going with lack of age over beauty here and saying that the Indianapolis Colts are Carl's Stone Cold Lock of the Century.